Shonen Segal, your accordion teacher. It's November 2021, and we've been doing our monthly challenges for over a year now. If you're not aware of this, every month over on the accordionlove.com forums, there's a monthly challenge, and people from all over the world, from all levels of accordion experience, get together every month and respond to whatever the monthly challenge is. There's no right or wrong answer. It's just a wonderful way of solving an accordion problem. And so this is the November 2021 monthly challenge. This month we're looking at song introductions, how to enter a song. If you remember a few months ago, we had a monthly challenge where we learned about doinas. This is another way of entering a song, and it's called a vamp. I'm not sure if it's the same across other languages, but in English it's called a vamp. Let me show you what a vamp is, and then I'll show you how to do it, and then I'll tell you what the challenge is. So a vamp is a little introduction in the beginning of the song, usually in the chord that you're going to be playing in. So if I'm going to be playing You Are My Sunshine in G major, this is my G major, here's the vamp. If I'm playing Shostakovich's Second Waltz, here's the song with a vamp versus without a vamp. With a vamp. Versus without a vamp. If I'm playing a tango, I forget which tango this is, let's play it without a vamp and then with a vamp. Without a vamp. With a vamp. So that's what a vamp is. It's a little introduction in the key of the song. Now, why do we use vamps? I love starting songs with vamps, more often than not. Vamps give me, as the musician, a little bit more time to figure out where to put my hands, a little bit more time to prepare for playing the song. So again, in El Choclo Tango, I'm free to think, I'm free to look around, free to orient my right hand. I can take as long as I want. 1, 2, 3, and. It also lets the audience know what song is coming. So if I'm going to play a tarantella, I could start off by just with my left hand in D minor. And I see the audience looking at me. They're expecting it. 1, 2, 3. Right, so I'm setting an expectation, just like I do in the doina. If you remember, a doina sounds like this. Now I'm starting the song. If I was to play the same song, Reb Dovid, with a vamp, this is what it would sound like. Similar kind of thing. I'm inviting the audience to look. Versus playing without a vamp, which sounds like this. So that's what a vamp is and what it does. I typically don't use a vamp. There are times when you don't want to use a vamp. Typically, at a big event, I remember a few times playing when a bride and groom are walking down the aisle. There's silence. And so you play whatever it is, right? The melody is expected to break the silence versus that works too. if it's an official kind of song, an anthem, right? Start off with the song. Don't vamp an anthem, right? No. No, an anthem, an official song, is typically started with the actual melody. We don't vamp anything official. I remember playing, I think it was God Save the Queen for the Canadian Governor General, or for a visiting dignitary. I forget who it was exactly. And I had to play the exact version of the song. No improvisation, no Doina's introduction, no vamping either. You start with the note. So that's what a vamp is, a wonderful way of starting songs. Another advantage is if you're playing with a group of other musicians whom you may not be too familiar with, start off with a vamp. If we're going to sing You Are My Sunshine in G, I'm setting the tone. 1, 2, 3. You are my sunshine. Right, you're setting the tone of what it is versus the tempo. You're setting the mood of the song. Yeah, really cool thing, a vamp. Use it if you're not. Give it a try in the song that you're learning. So what the November 2021 challenge is, what I'd love to see you do, is to use a vamp in a song that you typically don't use a vamp in. If you're learning Ode to Joy, right? Start it with a vamp. There. If you're playing the lambada, right? Some people on the forum are playing lambada. Typically it starts with... Try starting it off with... Right? Just a little introduction with a left hand only. You can also use the right hand just to do the chord, right? So the lambada introduction is in D minor. Ode to Joy with the right hand, I'm going to play a C major chord. 1, 2, 3. Anyways, that's the November challenge. Give it a try. Head on over to the Accordion Love forums. You have to be a member to post, but it's free for everyone to look at. This month's challenge plus the last year's challenges. Thank you. Let me know if you have any questions.